Today we're talking about something that many English learners face, and that is feeling stuck at your current level and not knowing how to improve. And if you feel this way, you are not alone, because every learner sometimes feels that they cannot speak faster or understand better or remember vocabulary. But the good news is that there is a simple routine you can use every day called shadowing, and shadowing is when you listen to a sentence or a short audio and immediately repeat it, copying the pronunciation, tone, rhythm, and flow of the speaker. And this practice is very powerful because it trains your ears, your mouth, your brain, and your confidence all at the same time. And the best part is you do not need long hours to see improvement. Even 10 to 15 minutes of shadowing daily can make a big difference in your speaking fluency and listening skills. And when you shadow every day, your brain begins to remember sentence patterns naturally without forcing grammar rules, and your mouth learns how to pronounce words more easily, and slowly you begin to speak English with more confidence and speed. And let us learn a new word now. Shadowing means repeating spoken English immediately while listening, and fluency means speaking smoothly, naturally, and confidently. And routine means something you do regularly, and habit means something you do every day, and progress means improvement over time. And when you combine these ideas, every day your English will start to feel easier and more natural. Now let us talk about the daily shadowing routine and how to make it simple and effective. First, choose a short audio or video clip that matches your level, maybe 1 to 2 minutes long, and listen to it carefully first, then play it again and repeat sentence by sentence, and focus on copying the speaker exactly even. If you do not understand every word, your ears and mouth are training your brain to produce natural English sounds, and it is okay to repeat sentences many times. This repetition is the secret to building automatic speaking skills. Now, a very important tip is to shadow slowly at first and focus on clarity, not speed, and gradually you will notice that your speed increases naturally, and when your pronunciation improves, your confidence improves too. And confidence is very important because fear and hesitation often block speaking, and shadowing removes hesitation by giving your brain real speaking practice every day. And another tip is to record yourself occasionally and compare with the original speaker, and notice small improvements every week. Even small improvements are motivating, and motivate means giving yourself energy to keep going, and noticing your progress builds your belief in yourself. Now, let us talk about a sample routine you can follow every day. First, warm up your mouth by reading aloud a short paragraph. Then listen to your shadowing audio once to understand meaning, then shadow sentence by sentence, repeating exactly, and do this for 10 to 15 minutes, then take 1 minute to relax and repeat a few challenging sentences again. Finally, end by speaking 1 or 2 sentences from memory without listening, and this trains recall and makes shadowing even more powerful. And another tip is to choose topics you enjoy, like stories, movies, songs, or short dialogues, because when you enjoy the topic, your brain pays more attention and your focus improves naturally. And enjoyment means happiness, and attention means mental energy given to learning. And when your brain is happy and focused, every minute of shadowing counts. And remember, consistency is more important than duration. 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week, because the brain learns with small daily repetitions, not long rare sessions. Now let us learn some more helpful vocabulary words. Pronunciation means how you say words. Rhythm means the natural flow of speech. Intonation means the rise and fall of your voice. Listening means paying attention to sounds. Speaking means producing words. Fluency means smooth and confident speaking. And when you combine these ideas daily, your English becomes stronger, easier, and natural. And every day you shadow, you're building your automatic speaking ability, and gradually you will notice that you can speak without translating in your head. You can understand faster, and you can produce English sentences more comfortably, and finally, the most important idea is patience, because progress comes slowly but consistently, and shadowing gives your brain repeated experiences that build strong speaking skills over time. And when you combine patience with daily routine, with shadowing, your English stops feeling stuck and you begin to enjoy speaking, learning, listening, and thinking in English. And one day, you will notice that you speak confidently and naturally because every day you practice with your mind, your ears, your mouth, and your voice, and shadowing became your superpower to break through your plateau and improve your English step by step. And remember, you do not need magic, you just need daily shadowing, practice, consistency, and belief in yourself. And with this simple routine, you can finally move from stuck to fluent, naturally, confidently, and enjoyably.